Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out in the garage and taking in the car my oldest boy is using now. Is a Ford Fiesta 2009 model. The Serpentine belt, alternator dynamo belt, is making squeaking noises on this car. So I just bought one today. That's supposed to be right for this car, and let's see. Is it simple to change, or is it a lot of work? I haven't looked at it yet. I just have to put on some light and we have to see. One simple thing to say here is that the belt is so far down that I can't do it from the top, so I have to do the change from below. My idea now is to take it from the side. So I'm jacking up and take it off the wheel. Yeah. Then we see the belt in here. The opening is further back, so I just want to try to take out here. T20 Torx 20. Open the one on the top here too. No? The one up here didn't want to play. Okay. But we have two here. Yeah, it's just plastic clips. So if I ruin something for me, I have some others, so it's no, I don't stress with that. There we have the belt. Now I just have to check up where the system will strengthen it or push it harder to loose up the system. See down here, the belt is under here. This is the tensioner, and I need to, you see, this big breaker arm that I was buying for, I needed something to get into the Suburban. See here, this one is working perfectly. Now the whole fan belt is loose. Then I was taking it off from that one. Now it should be loose in here. Before we do too much more, I'm just checking if the other fan belt is right. You see the fan belt is loose here. Here. Ha. Oops, sorry. Then you can just check compared to the other one. Yeah, seems to be the right. But this one don't seems to be bad either. But just changing. There, in there. Then it should be in the right place down here. Now just have to go on the top again and put it on. Huh. I see now I'm just ordering in my boy to hold this tensioner untensioned so I can go in and put on the belt underneath the car. It's on the way. Yeah. I was able to get them in when he was taking off the harden system. So just check it on the top here. There. Now it should be at the right place. Right. Let me see. There is on right place. So now it should be. Try to start it up and listen for the whining. Let's see the belt. The air condition pump jump out. But at least now it's working like it should. So I'm just putting it together and then we should say that this is okay. I can just put on the wheel again and lock the bonnet and back it out so my boy could use it to school tomorrow morning. Thank you. Please come back, see more videos. This Fiesta, that I have of course a lot of other things too. There was a lot of stones. Yeah, I'm going to back it out so it's going to fall out. Please come back. Please put a like on the video if you like it. Please put help me if this is a mk7 or mk6, because it's different information in different places. I think it's a mk6. This is a 2009. So please put the information so be right. Thank you. Please start following the channel too. That would be nice. Yeah. Goodbye.